As a small business owner, you know how important high-quality images are for marketing your products. However, it can be challenging to achieve the professional look, especially when unwanted elements or distractions appear in your photos. Whether it's a cluttered background or accidental photo bombers, these distractions can take away from the overall appeal of your marketing materials. In this tutorial, we'll show you step by step how to use Magic Grab to enhance your product photos, ensuring they stand out and capture your audience attention. Let's get started. Create a new file, choose an image, and drag it over to your artboard. Click the image and click Edit Image. And click on Magic Grab. Choose the person or the guy you wanted to remove and click Grab. And there you go. You can now take the guy out of the picture. Next up, we'll try removing multiple images. I will select all these balloons, including this cup, and we'll try what we can do. Maybe just delete them all. As you can see, in this area, I'm trying to select the balloons as perfect as I can because I don't want to give AI a hard time and give me a funky result. So let's click on Grab and let's wait. By the way, Magic Grab is a pro feature, so make sure you're on pro. Now let's move the balloons up here so we can see how well the AI did, and we can delete the balloons. Cool, right? That's it. I hope you learned something from me today, and I hope to see you soon on the next video. Ready to elevate your brand's visual identity? Penji offers unlimited graphic design services to give your designs a professional touch. Visit penji.co to see how you can achieve more. Thank you for tuning in.